Hare Krishna. Today we are going to discuss on the topic how to see the soul. People talk about soul, they hear about soul, and they discuss about soul, but still the topic of soul remains a mystery. Because spirit soul is spiritual by nature, and it's very difficult to understand the spirit soul. Krishna says about this in Bhagavad Gita, chapter 2. He says, Avyaktoyam achintyoyam avikaryoyam uchyate tasmadevam viditvenam nanusochitum arhasi. The meaning of this is, it is said that the soul is invisible, inconceivable and immutable. Knowing this, you should not grieve for the body. In the previous Gita Wisdom series, we discussed that actually we are an atomic spirit soul staying within this body. But the soul, how to understand it, how to see it, that is the question. Now we can try to understand this soul by using the example of electricity. Electricity, we cannot see electrons, but we can perceive the flow of electrons when we switch on the light, when we switch on the fan, or any electrical item for that matter. We can perceive the presence of this electron by the effect it has on these electronic devices. When you switch on the electricity, immediately the light glows. Why it is glowing? Because the electrons are moving, and the charge and movement of electrons is dissipating light. Similarly, in the fan, the movement of electrons causes induction, and because of that induction effect, you will see the motors rotate and then there is fan rotating. So we can perceive the presence of electron by its effect. Similarly, we can also perceive the presence of soul by the effect it produces. Although the soul may not be visible to our naked eyes like the electron, but we can feel the presence of soul by its effect. And what is the effect? The effect of soul is consciousness. This is the essential difference between the dead matter and living matter. A dead body or any object for that matter has no life, no consciousness. Like this laptop, the computer, the mobiles which you are using, it has no life, it has no feelings, it has no consciousness. But you and me, we have consciousness. Animals, they have consciousness. Birds, they have consciousness. They have consciousness, that's why they can think, they are having feelings, and they are willing. So, thinking, feeling, and willing, these are the three symptoms of soul. And wherever you see these three symptoms, there the presence of soul can be perceived. When the soul is there in the body acts alive. But when the soul quits the body, at that time the body is dead. There are no feelings. Although all the atoms and molecules which were there before death, when you are alive, are still present when the body is dead, still there are no feelings because the soul is gone. So the soul can be seen by its effect, not by your naked eyes. Just like electron cannot be seen by naked eyes, protons cannot be seen by naked eyes, even the cells, atoms cannot be seen by naked eyes. But there are different ways and means to find them. Like there are electron microscopes which can see the atoms, which can see the molecular structures of any object. There are so many cells in the body, bacteria, which we cannot see through naked eyes. So we need to use a microscope. There are some things which are far away, like the stars. They can be seen through telescope. Similarly, the soul can be seen by the practice of yoga. It is said that right now we are not able to perceive the soul because of coverings of dirt. Just like a mirror, when it is covered by dirt, you cannot see your face. Similarly, the soul is now covered by dirt of anarthas, unwanted things of lust, greed, envy, pride, illusion. So when we do yoga or meditation, then the heart becomes cleansed of all these impurities, and then we can perceive the soul. And in this current age, the modern age, the easiest way of doing yoga is mantra meditation, repetition of mantras, and especially the names of Lord. When you repeatedly call out the names of Lord, that has a purifying effect. Just like when you have a dirt on your cloth, like a mark of an ink, what do? You take some strong detergent and then rub it. But the dirt will not go in one try. You have to do it again and again. Then the dirt will become clean. Similarly, by repeated chanting of the names of the Lord, the heart becomes clean of all impurities. Then we can perceive the spirit soul. So this is the method which is prescribed by the scriptures. Thank you very much. Hare Krishna.